Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you this awesome sound design trick that you could do with stock and free plugins. I actually got a message from one of my students the other day named Jilly V, and Jilly asked, Alex, I'm a student and unfortunately my budget does not allow me to go out and buy a bunch of third-party plugins, and I'm afraid this will affect my sound. But on the other hand, I see artists like Disclosure and Kygo who swear by using free plugins to get results that work just as well. The truth is, a good artist can use anything you give them. You can give a good artist a stick and a rock, and they'll create something. Nah. The truth is, a good artist could take anything and make good music with it. Doesn't matter if they paid for the plugin or the instrument, or if they got the plugin or instrument for free. A good artist is a good artist. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to take really basic stock sounds that are just built into Logic and make magic with them. And I guarantee that if you watch this entire video from beginning to end, that your sound design game will increase by at least 20%. But you gotta watch the whole video. So call me heartless, call me cold, I hope your heart breaks sevenfold. So I have a little piece of music here. It's basically a drop with everything besides the lead, and I'm going to show you how to make a really sparkly lead, which making good leads is already hard to begin with. And doing it with stock free plugins, well, you really got to get creative, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So here's what we're working with today. All the bass, all the chords here, all free plugins that I made with some synths built into Logic here. So this lead that we're going to be making, I loaded up the Yamaha Grand Piano that's built here in Logic. It's going to be the lead melody. So let's go ahead and write the melody. Cha-ching. Oh, it's already written. Just kidding. I mean, I already like planned this out, but here is the melody notes. Really super basic. So we have a basic melody, but now I'm going to show you where this melody turns magic. And so in Logic, when we go through these effects, there's a bunch of different types of processes you can add to your sounds to really bring life to them. So I went to the amp designer, and there's a bunch of different amps. It's just crazy. It's like they all add this whack stuff. And any kind of processing like this is just so cool to mess around with. So I found this amp here. So now our piano sounds like a guitar. It's super cool. And so then what I did is I just went into Chroma Reverb, which is the free reverb plugin built into Logic here, and I added 3 seconds of decay. And then the last thing I added was just OTT and some EQing, and OTT is a free plugin, and all I do is mess with this knob on OTT. I don't really know what anything else does, but I never really cared. So then what I did, after listening to it, such a beautiful sound. Like, that's something you would hear from Nurko, Dabin, Illenium. RL Grime even made a song that actually inspired this track here. They all do stuff just like this, and we just did it with stock plugins. We don't even need a guitar. Like, this is awesome. So then what I did is I wanted to layer this because there wasn't enough presence. There wasn't enough presence in that lead, so I had to add something to add that presence. So I came into Alchemy, and I took the same exact melody, and then I found this really weird lead here. This lead sounds best with shorter notes. And basically what this is going to do is it's just going to brighten up that fake guitar lead. Alright guys, so now we have our layered leads here, and you saw that all I used was a very basic stock piano and then a built-in synth that I found in Logic Zone Alchemy. Let's go ahead and play this and see what we got. La 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 la. Oh, that was beautiful. If you guys liked that and would like to learn more about every aspect of music production, come join me in my EDM bootcamp. I have a link for you at the top of the description below. The EDM bootcamp is not just a course that teaches you everything about music production, but it is an entire back-end mastermind group that we call the producer room, where you can send me unlimited tracks for feedback, which you also get lifetime access to that feature as well. You can ask me any music production question that you would like. That sounds like something you're interested in. Like I said, there's a link at the top of the description below. I look forward to seeing you in there, and stay tuned for the next video.